Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to download CapCut in PC or laptop. So first, you just have to go to your search menu and then look for Microsoft Store. So this is the best way or legit way to download this CapCut software or editing tool. So if you have or if you're using your Windows, then you just have to go to Microsoft Store, go to the search icon and then search for CapCut. Once you found the CapCut editing tool, all you have to do is to click the Get button right here. So let me search for CapCut, and then you will see tons of applications here related to CapCut or anything here related to CapCut, but you have to look for the first one. Usually it's the first one here. So tap this, it's for free, and then you have to click a get or install. But I have already installed this to my device. So if you haven't installed this, then you will see get or install. And all you have to do is to click that button. Also, you can go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and you just have to search for CapCut. Once you have installed this using the Microsoft Store, you just have to go to the search menu and then look for CapCut, run as an administrator, and this is what it looks like. However, like what I mentioned earlier, you can go to any web browser and then search for CapCut, download, then click the very first link here, tap this one. Then you will see this download for free, and then open that, go to your download folder, and then run as administrator, and then open. As easy as that. So after everything, you can now launch your CapCut and start editing your project. So I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or if you want another topic for our tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.